Now, you are doing some things I always have to ask about because no one else has done it and everyone's given up on it. Deep brain stim, which I always think this is the cure. This is the way to get to Parkinson's. It's the way to get to a lot of nerve damage. It's the way to get to a lot of things people have given up on. It's also perceived to be impossible, Jeff. There's nobody thinks it can work except for Medtronic. What luck are you having?
Well, we're having, I don't know if I'd call it luck, but it's been a lot of work, a lot of investment. This gets back to the branding question you asked. It's engineering the extraordinary. And this is an example of how we're applying technology to some of the world's most difficult problems, right? Neurodegenerative diseases are difficult, right, to diagnose and manage. And now through the use of a combination of technologies, miniaturization, computing power, sensing, we're able to listen to signals in the brain that are causing these tremors, like, for example, in Parkinson's, and actually apply just the right amount of energy to mitigate those symptoms and personalize that therapy. And so this is the result of 30 years of research, but in the last couple of years, we've really doubled down once we made a breakthrough in sensing, and now we're redefining the space. And I think, look, we're all gonna learn a lot from this sensing technology we just launched, and it's gonna help a lot of patients.
Are your sensing technologies, do they involve antenna outside the head?
No, this is actually all inside, right? Small electronics inside the body with high fidelity sensing, picking up very minute signals that your brain's sending out. Jim, the signal to noise ratio is 1,000,000 to 1. I didn't know what that meant as a layperson, so I asked our scientists to kind of quantify it for me. It's like if you and I were on a tarmac of an airport, right, in LaGuardia, and we were standing 100 yards apart, and the 737 was fully spooled up, and you whisper something and I can hear it. That's 1,000,000 to 1. And that's what we're doing all inside the body, and then listening and turning around and applying just the right amount of therapy to help that patient.
That is so much better than even 2 years ago. That's an incredible, incredible leap.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Kramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.